a spring washer. I had never seen one of these before. I have not seen one since, and I just had to videotape this for you to look at this. If you come to our office and you learn to sharpen, I have a whole box of shears with kind of screws that you're going to encounter for you to practice taking them apart, putting them back together. But the spring washer, you got to see this. It looks pretty straightforward. You just put it together. This is what the back looked like. Kind of a weird looking washer. It's a metal washer, but it's not a ball bearing washer. So when I put it together and just hold it like I normally would, and it has an external clicker plate. That external clicker plate just slides. See, it doesn't catch on anything. So when I put this top on, the screw doesn't hold. Here's the trick on it. This little weird thing that we saw here is actually a spring. So I'm going to call this a spring washer, maybe, screw. I've never come across this before. So now when I put it in, the trick is to push hard, harder than I normally would push, to push in that spring. And so now when I put it together, see, I'm pushing in hard. The little peg, the post comes up higher. So now my internal clicker plate will actually fit on here and I can put it back together. First time I've encountered this screw, but I'm sure it won't be the last time. I can't read what the name is on it because it's covered over, but it doesn't look like an expensive shear. If you come across some strange screws that you've never seen before, send me some pictures. Send me some videos of how you dealt with it, because we need to share this with other sharpeners. And be sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell. That's more important, so that you can see other videos that we come out with when we find some other strange screws that we need to share with you. It's a never-ending journey for us sharpeners, because there's always something new out there. And that's what makes this job exciting, and that's what keeps me making videos and teaching.